Everyone, so what we're going to go ahead and do is glue the nose cone to the short airframe because that's how it goes. And we're going to go ahead and use 15-minute epoxy for it. Now you want to sand the inside with rough sandpaper so it can bond pretty well. So let's go ahead and make some epoxy. Okay, so what you want to do is put the epoxy on the nose cone. You don't want to put it on the airframe because it could it could run on you in there, and it could accidentally bond something else or prevent the shotgun tube from going in how it should be. Just please, I think I should have sanded that too, but I guess not. I guess it doesn't matter as long as it bonds to the inside. Okay, I think still have a lot. I'm gonna use all of it. Okay, so once you do that, go ahead and just slide on the airframe. I think I put too much, got carried away, but just take your finger and rub it all along here because you want the nice little layer of epoxy. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the static ports for the wiring, the ejection charges. I'll be using I believe this is 1x8 drill bit. So I'll go ahead and use that, and I've already marked my spots on where it's going to be. So let's go ahead and make those. Okay, so I forgot to mention, keep the electronics bay sled out, and also your parachute and your piston, because you might accidentally drill them, so don't do that. So on this one here for the main parachute, go ahead and make that hole wider to about, I believe, 1x4 in diameter. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to make the ports to hold down the electronics lid. So once again, use a 1x8 drill bit, and this time have your electronics bay in there. And just to get even markings, just get some paper, roll it up evenly, then flatten it in half, and you'll get two evenly spaced markings. And make sure you measure this half an inch away. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. We'll go ahead and drill this in there. may have to widen them later on. So that's pretty much what you do there. Okay folks, so the last thing we're going to go ahead and do is make the holes for the rivets and the hole for the air pressure for your altimeter. So mask off your tube to keep it still, and put some tape on the inside too so it can stay still there too. So, and use the, I guess, the biggest drill bit that you have. I don't know, this is 3x16 I think. For the rivets, this is what I'm going to use. So this is gonna go right through the nose cone, so expect that to happen. So I'm going to make the other one. Dang. Okay, so there's that. So last but not least, we're going to go ahead and drill the pressure port for your altimeter to sense the air pressure. So use the 1x8 drill bit. I recommend it. Okay, so once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and move the rivets. These things are on there pretty good. It's going to be a pain to remove them. Okay. Okay, so the hole that you made, you're gonna expand it just so it can always match with the pressure port you just made. So let's go ahead and change bits real fast. Okay, so again, have some tape to hold this down while you make the big hole. Okay, so just make a really big hole, because that's how you'll need it.